to rise up for the prayer.
International news. Russia says a Ukraine missile strike hit its Black Sea Fleet headquarters. A serviceman is missing. Zelensky makes his case at the US Capitol and the Pentagon for more war aids, citing inadequate progress on rights front. India urges Sri Lanka to keep its promises. National news. External Affairs Minister Jaishankar kickstarts 9-day visit to US. Madras High Court restrains Udayanithi Stalin from making defamatory allegations against Edapadi K. Palaniswamy. Armed miscreants who wore police uniforms carrying guns in Manipur gets bail in UAPA case. PM Modi to flag off 9 new Vande Bharat routes. Electric bus catches fire at Punamalli. No signal from Chandrayaan 3's Vikram and Pragna, says ISRO. Regional news. Chandrababu Naidu's quash petition in skill development scam case is dismissed by Andhra Pradesh HC. PDP decides to boycott rest of the assembly sessions. Students fooled in the name of skill development during PDP tenure, says AP Finance Minister Pugganna Rajendranath. BJP AP organizes photo exhibition on PM Modi's life to inspire youth. 2 drivers killed, 35 injured in lorry bus collision. Sports news. The darling volunteer of the Asian Games is not a human, it is a robot. First ODI, Surya Kumar Yadav blazes. India ticks another box. India becomes #1 ranked team in all formats after defeating Australia in first ODI. India versus Australia. Everyone talks about Mohammad Shami's wrist position, but very few know how he gets it right, says his childhood coach. Thank you.
Thought for the
The fruit of hard work and effort. Success cannot come in a day. Success is achievement of your goal. Can I repeat? Success is the fruit of hard work and effort. Success cannot come in a day. Success is achievement of your goal. Thank you.
amazing fact is brought to us by Diksha of class 6B.
Good morning. Today's amazing fact. In ancient Greece and Rome, doctors used spider webs to make bandages for their patients. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Kushal of class 2nd B, Vihan of class 2nd B, Tanush of class 4th B are celebrating their birthdays today. So let us wish them.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear children. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dears. May God bless you, dears. May God bless your children. May God bless you, dears.
The gathering.
Good morning to everyone present here. On this occasion, I would like to welcome you all for the Inter-House Drama Competition. I am greatly honored to welcome our distinguished guest. We have Sri Lokanath Reddy Garu amidst us today. He is a Professor of Management Studies and Vice Principal and Dean Evaluation at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and Technology, Chittor. He has an experience of 23 years. Has published 54 articles in reputed journals and presented 30 papers in conferences, who has guided 2 PhD scholars, and his younger son E. Rahul Reddy is the alumni of the school and topper of the 2022 passed out batch. We welcome you, sir. It's indeed a pleasure to have you with us. We extend a hearty welcome to Srimati Jyoti Garu on behalf of our school. Srimati Jyoti Garu has done her MBBS, MD Pathology. She was born in Cochin, Kerala. She did her schooling in Nellore district, MBBS and PES Kuppam, MD in SV Medical College, Tirupati, and her hobbies are reading books. We are delightful to have you as the guest of the hour, madam, and it's my immense pleasure to welcome Srimati Beulah Sandeep Garu, who has done her MBA. She has worked as assistant professor in Vijayam Degree and PG College, and her hobbies are reading and listening to music. I extend a warm welcome to you, madam. I now take the opportunity to welcome our correspondent, Srimati Samini Reddy Garu, Principal, and our admin in charge, Mrs. Benjamin Garu, for today's function. I once again want to say a cordial welcome to one and all present here. Hope you all enjoy the program. Thank you.
Request the students of Buddhivahini an example of wisdom, knowledge and intelligence to kickstart their rocking performance. Over to Buddhivahini.
Happy morning to one and all present here. This is Samita representing the students of Buddhivahini Grey House. With a passion for the art form, exhausted every ounce of our energy into making sure that the competition is nothing short of a larger than life event. It gives me immense pride to make sure that to tell that our students of Buddhivahini will be able to create a real-time experience with the theme Virtues of Ideal Students, Dreams and Success. And for sure, it is going to cherish for a long time to come. So let's begin this journey.
Ma'am,
Yes, Akshay ma'am, please comment. All the arrangements were ready for you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance. I hope our students will be able to understand and know the struggles behind the success story of Chandrayaan 3.
That sounds good, ma'am.
May I come in, ma'am?
Please come in, ma'am. I hope all the arrangements are ready.
Yes, ma'am, it's ready.
Okay, Akshay ma'am, you can take your students to the auditorium. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
As the Trimourtis, Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva all rolled into one. The teacher takes the place of parents in school. They guide and mold the character and personality of the students.
Hello Mr. Rohan, this is Gayatri from BV Reddy School. As we discussed earlier, my school is ready for the session.
Hello ma'am, this is Rohan from ISRO team.
And hearty congratulations for the completion of Chandrayaan 3 mission, sir.
Thank you for your warm wishes ma'am.
Our hearty congratulations to you, sir.
Thank you my dear children. Well, we are glad to welcome you for this session. Our team will join us in few seconds.
Hi sir, we are very much excited to meet. Hi sir, we are very much excited to meet the brainies of ISRO.
Oh, definitely. Oh yeah. Let's go with our project director, Mr. Veera Muthuvel.
A pleasant meeting to all my Bivridians.
Sir, my students are very much excited and anxious to meet you all.
That's great, ma'am. We should say thanks to BVRSS for arranging this session.
Sir, I have a question for you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, we know that you are from Villupuram, Tamil Nadu. We would like to hear more about you, sir.
Sure. I'm a common man like you. Researching on satellites is my passion. While reading, I always used to think that I should focus and understand on what I learned. I was an average student in school, had a humble background, and studied in government school. This made me to become a project director.
Sir, we would like to hear to your valuable message to us.
Sure. My message to my students is that self-discipline, 100% involvement without any expectations, hard working and uniqueness within ourselves will definitely bring success.
Sir, what is this success?
My dear students, Mr. Bharat Kumar is the right person to say about success. Thank you.
Mr. Veera Muthuvel. Let me introduce you, our young and energetic director, Mr. Bharat Kumar.
Hello sir. Hello my dear students. It's happy to meet you all.
Oh, Bharat sir from Chhattisgarh?
Yeah, it's me, Bharat sir from Chhattisgarh.
Sir, we heard that you faced lot of challenges and became successful at the age of 23.
He is the power of persistence and an example of hard work and intelligence.
Bharat sir, we would like to hear about your extraordinary journey in this T3 mission.
Yeah, sure. My name might not enjoy widespread recognition. I was born proud to say that my father worked as a bank security guard while my mother managed a humble tea stall. I still remember in my 9th class I was unable to pay my fees, but my school helped by waiving, and I did well in 12th class and I got into IIT Dhanbad with the help of Arun Bag and Jindal Group from Raipur.
Students, he did excellent with 98% marks and a gold medal in IIT Dhanbad.
We look forward for your valuable message, sir.
Yeah, sure. I strongly believe that dedication towards education will help us to achieve our goals. There are many brothers like me around us who come from humble backgrounds, from small towns, to push the dreams of a new India every single day.
Thank you, Mr. Bharat. Your tireless dedication has undeniably led India for the lunar exploration.
Thank you, Rohan.
Now, our students are eagerly waiting to meet Mr. Somnath sir.
Good morning, my dear students. I am S. Somnath, the chairman of Indian Space Research Organization. Glad to meet you all at this moment.
Sir, we are really overwhelmed with the spirit of excitement, sir.
Yes, me too.
Sir, what is success, sir?
Many of my efforts met with many problems and failures. This learning of success came to us not by accident, but through many failures.
What's all about understanding, sir?
Understanding can be obtained not only from textbooks. Instead, knowledge could be acquired by learning with experts, that is, with our teachers. Ordinary people with expertise can make things possible.
Sir, please give me a valuable message to become successful.
Success is a result of a questioning mindset that results in a wonderful system. My dear students, understand that setbacks are part of life, but perseverance and determination can help to overcome obstacles and achieve success. By analyzing the past mistakes and making necessary improvements, one can increase the chance of success.
Sir, how to set right goals?
Right goals. Okay. My dear students, identify your passion, set goals, and work diligently to achieve them. Success often requires hard work, patience, and unwavering determination.
Sir, I want to know a key set of rules to be...
A key. So, you can follow the rule of CUP. C for concentration, U for understanding, and P for practice. Wishing you all the very success. Thank you.
Thank you all.
To meet the excellent mind behind this achievement?
None. It is so exciting to watch.
Indeed. Now, what do you learn from the success of Chandrayaan-3 mission?
We need to show resilience in the faces of all our obstacles.
Okay. Now, what is the key to success?
Persistence. The key rule CUP given by Somnath sir. What is this CUP?
Yes, concentration, understanding, and practice.
You all said right. Now, my dear students, I will show you the real story of Ekalavya, who aspired to study archery and became a great warrior with dedication and concentration. Ekalavya loved animals and treated all the animals in the forest with great love and affection. But he was terribly disturbed by the wild animals which would come into the forest and drag off the young cattle, deer, and calves. Their cries were unbearable to Ekalavya, so he decided that he must help them.
from the forest. Their pitiful cries were unbearable. I decided I must help them. Mother, can't you hear the loud cries of the cattle and deer of the forest? The wild wolves mercilessly dying of the animals from the forest. We have to help them. What should we do, Mother?
Ekalavya, I know how compassionate you are, but this is how nature is. We cannot find where they hide and eat the animals.
But Mother, we are hunters and we all know archery. Then why can't we kill them when they are hiding in the bushes?
My son, I appreciate your kindness and love for animals, but to track and find animals is very difficult, and to aim at it and kill, you need to have extraordinary skills and thorough practice. You cannot sit in this jungle and learn all these skills, and no one here is learned enough to teach you.
But I have to master this art. What shall I do?
There is only one person who can teach you this art. His name is Dronacharya, the teacher of Pandavas and Kauravas, who are the princes of Hastinapur, the capital city of this kingdom. Dronacharya learned this art from his father sage Bharadwaj, who is the greatest sage of all time, and also from his father sage teacher, who is Parasurama.
How did Dronacharya become so famous?
Good question, my dear. He was a dedicated student of his teacher Parasurama, who is an incarnation of Lord Rama. His fame lies in his discipline, dedication and humility.
That sounds interesting, Mother.
Yes, dear, Dronacharya is now the teacher of Hastinapur kingdom, who has been appointed by Bhishma.
He must be really great. I want to go right away and become his student. But will he accept me?
Of course, dear, he will accept you. But remember these things. You have to be calm, obedient, sincere, humble and loyal. My blessings will be always with you, my child.
Thank you, Mother.
May God bless you.
Next day, Yadu, Ekalavya set out to Hastinapur to meet Dronacharya. There, he come across Dronacharya in the outskirts of the city itself.
Blessing.
My boy, I don't think so we have met before. Who are you? Why are you touching my feet?
Master, greetings to you. I am Ekalavya from nearby jungle and son of the Nishad chief. I have idolized you my entire life and it is my dream to learn archery from you and protect our forest from wild animals. There is no one to teach me or train me. So please allow me to take refuge in your Gurukul so that I would be honored if you accept me as your student. Please help me, Master.
My boy, I am a teacher of a royal family and was not allowed to teach the state art to anybody else. It's forbidden to make anyone as powerful for the safety of the state region. Now go back to your region and you can practice on your own. So I can see the potential in you.
Master, I seek your blessings.
Ekalavya, my blessings are with you. Now go back to your region and you can practice on your own.
An intense desire for learning makes one a good pupil. Ekalavya, totally consumed by the desire for learning archery, mastered archery in the absence of Dronacharya by worshipping him.
Next day, Ekalavya made an idol of Dronacharya and started praying to him. He used to adorn the idol with flowers and started practicing before him every day. Even though Ekalavya didn't get to practice in front of him, he tried very hard. Due to his high devotion to his master, he made progress and improved in the art of archery. Later, we all know that Ekalavya became the best archer of the world. The forest was very happy with him as the leader of them.
a talented Ekalavya, the animals were also very happy and the life went on peacefully. Tell me what you learned from this story.
Practice makes a man perfect, ma'am. We can master any skill with concentration and dedication. Ma'am, when we are determined, nothing can stop us to reach our goal. Ma'am, but I get distracted and couldn't able to concentrate. How to overcome it, ma'am?
Well, that's a good question. When you do anything with a concentrated mind, you succeed, learn and grow. When you say no to distractions like media, mobile, TV, etc. and only focus on studying, you can get clarity and concentrate.
Ma'am, what is this focus?
Yes, focus is the energy that creates this burning results.
To become a brilliant student, we must develop laser sharp focus.
Exactly, my girl.
What is this laser sharp focus, ma'am?
Yes, to show that, let me take to the most inspiring story of Arjun Zain.
Arjun? Arjun? Arjun?
Yes, Arjun.
Let us share these laddus with our siblings.
Definitely, sir, they will do.
Wow, Nakul and Sahil with laddus.
Laddus? Laddus. Looks so yummy and delicious.
Let's pray for God and share the laddus.
Yes, definitely, we'll do.
Where are the laddus? Almost over.
Master is coming, master is coming.
Today you have a test on archery. You have to pierce the eye of the wooden bird placed far on the tree.
Yes, master, we are ready with your blessings.
What do you see? I can see the bird. What else you see? I can see the tree, fruits and the branches. Okay, you see so many things. Put down your bow and arrow. Duryodhan. What do you see?
See the bird, tree, branches, nest of the bird, and some monkeys jumping.
Okay, put down your bow and arrow. Go back to your place. Beam. What do you see?
I can see some delicious fruits and a bird.
What else you see?
I can see more delicious fruits.
Okay, keep down your bow and arrow. Arjun, what do you see? I can see the eye of the bird. What else you see? Nothing, master. Do you see trees, monkeys or branches? No, master. Do you see myself? I am standing beside you. No, master. Right now I can see only the eye of the bird. Good. Shoot the arrow. Well done, my boy. Arjun, you have the potential to become the great archer of the world. And I'll make you the best archer. God bless you, my son.
Skills that made him the best warrior of his time. He was known for his very sharp focus and concentration. The teacher, like Drona, is not teaching his students some subjects in a parrot-like manner. The teacher will actually mold the character and personality to instilling in him an awareness of the world around him and how to lead a life useful to the society and how to face virtue problems one has to come across in life. Thus, the teacher who teaches the students how to face life in a successful manner is accorded a revered place in our culture.
Don't we all know that Arjun became the best Asha made by Dronacharya?
Ma'am, the reason is very simple. Arjun has concentrated and focused his mind only and only the eye of the bird. Most people say that the most powerful weapon of Arjun is his Gandhi bow, but actually his most powerful weapon is his single-minded laser-sharp focus.
Yes, ma'am. In the battlefield, his arrow never hits the air.
That's awesome. Now tell me, I'm going to ask you the same question which Dronacharya asked Arjun. Where is your focus? Is it on fruits like bean or only on the aim like Arjun? If your focus is on fruits, then your focus is on temporary pleasures. But if your focus is only on your aim, then it means that you are going to achieve your success.
Ma'am, we are determined to have a laser sharp focus like Arjun to become successful by achieving our goals.
Yes, ma'am, we are determined to have concentration and dedication and only believe in our goal. Yes, ma'am. Today onwards, my concentration is only on my goal and will work like Bharat Kumar sir to be successful.
That's really awesome, students. Now, I really hope you will all achieve success in your future.
The students meet their teacher to celebrate their success.
Oh, hello, students.
Ma'am, this is Shashank, working as a project director in ISRO.
Ma'am, this is Tanvi, working as a software engineer in Google.
Hi ma'am, this is Gauri Krishna, working as managing director of Solis Yanmar company.
That's so awesome. So we all know that your results are very awesome. You work very hard. We know your talents, your innovation, your decision making, and your understanding of the importance of education.
Challenges made us pursue our dreams. And of course, you're not only a teacher but also a great friend of ours, ma'am.
This is all of your motivation, ma'am.
We followed and still following the rule of CUP.
That's amazing. So isn't that the rule of concentration, understanding and practice? That's really so well. If you do practice all this, you will surely achieve success.
Might become a successful person. I trust live performances from the students of Pruthivahini showed you all that you need to practice, understand and achieve anything which you dream.
Next in order, I request students of Nirmala Vahini to steal the hearts of audience by their performance.
Started! The program started. Children keep quiet.
Good morning to one and all present here. Imagine this world, half sun, half flower, half face, or half of your school. How does the world look like with half part? One word, it's incomplete and imperfect. So how can you think of sending half of your children to school and rest of them at home, half in the playground? How difficult it is. Education among the uneducated and poor people is still an issue in this modern and advanced world. If you have dedication to achieve your dream, There is no such thing as impossible or unreachable. So, we, the students of Nirmala Vahini, are here to prove this with the story of Surabhi's search for true treasure. So let's watch.
Raksha, where is Isha? How long has it been since I arrived? I couldn't see her.
She might be getting ready for school. Let me check. Isha? Isha? Where are you? Your father is searching you. Here I am, Mom. Dad, I wanted to show you something.
What's that?
Dad, here's my report card.
My dear, you have passed in all the subjects. I know you could do it.
I'm so glad, Isha. Mom, I have promised my friends that I will give them a party. I need some money.
Yeah, permission granted, my dear. We all need your happiness. We'll do anything for you. Yeah. Keep this money. It's not sufficient, just ping me.
Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. Such a lovable parents I've got. Oh no. Hey you, why are you standing here in front of us as a statue? Go aside now. How many times have I told you not to come in front of her? Don't you understand that?
That's why I've been telling you not to allow these poor people to work.
Sorry, sir. Her daughter just got good marks, but my daughter, she's class topper.
Hey, stop. Is she your daughter?
Yes, sir.
Call her immediately.
Surabhi. Yes, Mom. Sir is calling you. Come here. Yes, sir.
Do you own this land? Always you're playing here?
Sir, other children are also playing here.
Don't compare yourself with others. They are rich in status. They have money, fame and wealth. What do you have? Only the rats? I shouldn't be seeing you playing here from now on. You understand? Get out of my sight.
Sorry, sir. It will not happen again. What happened, Surabhi? Why is he shouting? Nothing. Are you sure? Yes. Okay.
Nothing.
No, there must be something.
Actually, Advik asked me to buy some books, but I don't have money to offer them.
Money? Oh, sorry, Madhav. Even we also don't have money. Don't mind.
It's okay. It's too hot. Bring some water, Surabhi.
Pa, you look very tired.
Advik, you asked me to buy some books, so I was roaming day and night to get them. Thanks, dear. I'll get it by tomorrow, dear. Don't worry.
Mother, how did you manage for the money?
I asked my friends, your owner, and some other people in our surroundings, but no one is ready to help us. The moment they saw me, they started shouting and screaming very badly. No one is giving respect to us.
This is all because of me, Pa. No, Advik, it's not because of you. It's our fate. No one shows mercy on us.
Ma, I feel quite nostalgic when brother goes to school. If we study well, Our society gives respect automatically. So shall I also go to school?
School? Why? First you learn household chores from your mother, then we will see to it.
Surabhi, you know about our family situations very well. To educate your brother itself, you are struggling a lot without money.
Ma, always you tell this. I feel very bad when my friends are going to school. If they can go, why can't I then?
In that case, I have to drop your brother too, as I did for you.
Pa, please don't do that. I beg you. Please, Papa, please. Let Arpit continue at least.
Stop crying first. Go and help your mother.
Okay, Papa.
Surabhi, make some balls with that dove.
Okay, Mom.
One second here. Surabhi, what are you doing?
Nothing, Mom, nothing. See, I have completed my work.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Take your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Give attendance. Rishil,
Present, ma'am.
Punni,
Present, ma'am.
Isha,
Present, ma'am.
Surya,
Present, ma'am.
Richa,
Present, ma'am.
Surabhi. Where is Surabhi? Why isn't she coming to school?
Ma'am. Ma'am, she is dropped from school. She goes to her father every day.
Yes, ma'am. Due to family issues, she was dropped, it seems.
Oh, but she's studying very well.
Yes, ma'am. She's a good student as well as a good mate too.
Ma'am, look at her. She is watching us from there. Ma'am, she stands every day there and have been observing something every day. Surabhi, come here. Surabhi, what happened, Surabhi?
Hey, Surabhi, what are you doing there? Come here first.
Surabhi?
First pick up all this rag, Surabhi. Always
Okay,
wasting the
students,
time.
let's continue. Do you remember I have asked you to submit your projects today?
Yes,
ma'am. Bring them now. Who didn't submit? Why, Isha?
Forgot to bring, ma'am.
Always you ask an excuse for not completing your notes. Being a millionaire, what is the use of? You can't even do your work properly and showing attitude with all. I think your parents have pampered you a lot.
Sorry, ma'am. I won't repeat it.
Okay. Isha, come and solve this problem. Don't you know how to do, Isha?
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay, student, make it as homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Surabhi.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
Nothing, sir, nothing.
What's going on?
Look at the board. I didn't expect this from you, Surabhi.
Excellent, Surabhi. Why don't you continue again?
Ma'am, actually.
Kailash sir, we must speak with her parents.
Yes, ma'am. You are right. He is very much interested in studies. Let's go now.
Papa, I have kept my sack here. I couldn't find any more, so I have brought the empty sack back.
What? I know about you very well. Instead of picking all these racks, you must have gone to that school and started watching useless things from far. Don't I know about you?
No, Papa, I was searching them.
Mother?
Mom, you?
Yes, mother. We come here to talk about Surabhi.
What, Surabhi? Hey, Surabhi, what have you done? Did you do anything wrong, sir?
Mother, you have misunderstood. Do you know why have we come here?
No, sir. Really not aware of it.
Only we have come to appreciate her.
To appreciate her?
Mother, your daughter is much interested in studies, but I don't know why you didn't join her in school.
Sir, you know about my family condition very well, sir. I am just picking all these racks and doing daily wages work, sir. It is very difficult to me to raise my both children in education, sir. So I dropped her long back ago due to my economic crisis, sir.
If it is the money that matters, we will provide scholarship till she completes her education.
Yes, mother, we will provide sponsor to her. You don't worry.
Sir, it may not work all the time. If all of a sudden they stop, think about our situation once, sir.
We assure you that we will take the responsibility of her studies.
If not, we will provide another sponsor, or else we both will be sponsored to her.
Okay, sir. You both have convinced me and you gave a solution too. I accept her to continue her studies, sir.
Surabhi, are you happy now?
Yes, Mom.
Hey, my sister is going to school! Can you believe that? Surabhi joins in school and studies very well. She becomes topper of her school, college, and has become a role to all other poor children.
Oh, honey. Looks so delicious.
Thank you, Mommy.
Have a seat, dear.
Sir?
Yes, who's that?
Sir, me, Madhav.
Oh, you, Madhav. Tell me what happened.
Sir, I got my daughter here, sir.
So what should I do for that then?
Sir, she is studying final year of MBBS with the help of sponsors, sir.
Oh, doctor. So?
Sir, all of a sudden they stopped giving funds, sir.
What should I do for that then?
Sir, can you please be her sponsor, sir? We will be grateful forever.
What? Why should he be the sponsor to you? Moreover, your mother who had worked in our house had already left. Sama, you're also searching for the sponsor too?
Better you work here and get payoff. You poor people, you should know your limits. Don't desire to fly high.
Why not we? Aren't we human beings? Aren't we people? I want to study. for which I can't afford my education. Dear God, who will help this poor, discouraged, heartbroken and defeated child to achieve her goal?
Sister, why are you crying? Don't shed your tears in front of these ruthless people. I'll make my sister to complete her studies, and I challenge you people that one day you people will realize the value of true humanity. Okay, leave now.
Come dear, let's move from here.
Surabhi, I have told you already, we are always ready to help you. Why don't you inform us about sponsors, and why do you hesitate for everything?
No sir, you helped us a lot.
Yes, sir. You have already helped us a lot. Because of you, I even completed my studies. So we don't like to trouble you again.
Surabhi, do you know who he is? No, ma'am. One of the trustees of NGO. Your new sponsor.
My new sponsor?
Yes, ma. I heard about your struggles. We are very much interested to provide scholarship and funds to complete your studies.
Thank you so much, sir. But how do I make you pay you in return?
Here is the slip. Just be an inspiration to all these children. That's enough.
Thank you so much, sir. I'll make you feel proud.
All the best for your future, ma.
Daksha!
Vikas, what happened?
I'm not
What
feeling good.
happened? Please, help my father, please.
What happened, sir?
What happened, sir?
What are you doing? You didn't even complete your studies. How can you treat him? Ma'am, I know what I'm doing. Please let me treat him.
Sir, wake up, sir. What happened?
Sir, please, sir. Sir, wake up, sir.
Are you alright?
Are you okay now, sir?
Quite better now, Isha. Thank you so much, Surabhi. We have all ill-treated you. We shouldn't have done that. Being a rich man in this society doesn't mean having millions of dollars in your bank account. I'm not a rich man. You are. You are truly rich in your heart. You have proved that poverty is not a hindrance to success.
Surabhi, I'm really sorry for my words. I shouldn't have uttered those harsh words. Thank you. Stuart, you saved my father's life.
That's okay, Isha. I just gave him a first aid. Never mind.
Surabhi, you're truly a great inspirer and also motivated the poor people to work too.
Thank you so much, sir.
Surabhi completed her studies and is now working in a hospital. She treats poor people and renders her service to them. She even started her own organization on the name of Mother Teresa Educational and Charitable Trust for the Poor and renders her service by being a volunteer doctor.
Viewers, I Harshita from Truth Hacker News Channel. I am so excited to bring this personality to you all. This simple looking lady you are about to meet now needs no introduction. She has been a role model to every one of us. Without further delay, let me welcome Ms. Ruby Madhav, who has won the highest honor in Rashtrapati Bhavan of her glorious service in the field of medicine and contributing to upliftment of downtrodden. Welcome, dear ma'am.
Thank you, Harshita.
Ma'am, we heard that you have come across so many hurdles and objections to attain your goal. What would you like to advise this young generation, ma'am?
Being
put does not mean you do not have the right to dream and make it come true. If life does not give you an opportunity, then create it. If you can't help someone, at least don't try to degrade them. You think wealth, money and fame are important, but that money fades, fame goes, but only education stays forever. Never look down on anyone. Who knows, one day you may ask help from the same person whom you had looked down.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. Hard won are the best incentives and the best foundation for success of a man. Empty pockets never held anyone back. Only empty heads and empty hearts can do that. Nobody is born poor and empty. Each of us have a gift, talent or intelligence, and how we use it to lift our lives spells our success or failure. We, the students of life, yet most of you have not set goals for your life. So, we motivate you to set your goals and start walking it through them. So, let Surabhi be your role model who spent her childhood in hunger and rose to highest place in life. We are all blessed to have all these facilities and comforts. So let's all be grateful and work hard. This is the story of dreams, unlimited and unrealistic, turning into reality in front of a nation. So come on friends, it's time to mark the finishing line. So come on friends, it's time to mark the finishing line of excellence in this race of excellence. Can you repeat it?
In this race of excellence.
In the race of
excellence.
Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.
Shall we start?
Perform they play.
A warm welcome to all. A humble greetings to our principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers and respected judges. We, the Spurti Vahini, the Greenhouse, are going to present you a drama. Please watch and enjoy.
Here is an announcement for all the villagers. A professor is coming from America to our village to give a lecture in our government college. He is the native of our village. Bong 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 bong. The only American from our village.
Dear audience, these little naive and naughty children have unknowingly named the story The Only American from Our Village. So let's now watch and enjoy Mr. Arun Joshi is the only American from our village. Mr. Joshi is an Indian English writer and winner of the Sahitya Academy Awards. So let's now look at the upper side of the American dream.
of Wisconsin. We welcome you, sir.
A warm greeting to one and all present here. Thank you. Thank you all for inviting me. Frankly speaking, it's only a 4-week trip to India, and I have already got a lot of invitations, and I can't attend them all. But I should visit the Scientific Research Center. Of course, they believe that I am the best physicist of all time. And according to some, I am the best dressed on the campus. I have met the Prime Minister and the President too, and got a lot of job opportunities. But you know what? My wife Jane and my children Kelvin and Scar, we are accustomed to only America. And the weather over here, oh my god, it's too hot. Mr. Nikhil, can't you even arrange an AC over here? Sorry sir, we can't do that. At least a cooler, Mr. Amish. No sir, we're sorry, we get fresh air. That is very, very ungrateful. And let's not talk more about this bad weather. The University of Wisconsin only depends on me.
End of the session, the same evening.
To the end of this conference, it's our privilege to welcome Dr. Khanna as a resource person on our 44th National Conference. Thank you, Dr. Khanna, for your august presence and accepting our invitation.
Dr. Khanna, let us move to the banquet hall. No, Mr. Ramesh, I'm not yet comfortable with these Indian dishes. We're sorry, sir, we can't help you.
Hey, what do you tell? Look at their hospitality. These Bharatians are so kind. Let's not hurry. We'll stay at least a week here.
What are you talking about, Jane? You want to stay here? In this bad weather?
I can't be actress.
No, Jane, I can't.
Sir, please, ma'am, please come join us.
I just said you guys are not comfortable with these Indian dishes. Don't you understand?
I can't be joining them.
No, Jane, I can't. You can go with them if you want.
Ma'am, at least you come join us.
I'll join.
Hey, what are you looking at, oldie? Mr. Amish, who is he?
He is Mr. Radha Mohan. Sells court papers and stamps in front of district courts.
I am the Ashtam Ferosh of the town and I am happy to see you. Hey, you know, I came here to see you because I am the Ashtam Ferosh of the town.
Professor, come let's go.
Oh, Professor, wait a sec. What do you mean by a professor? A big teacher? No, like my sons who are not even matriculates. And it's a proud moment for us that your father belongs to this village and you too belong to this village.
What? Me? This village? No. I have visited this village when I was a boy. No. I have visited this village a lot of times.
No, when you were young, you used to come to my house to play. And your father and I were close to each other, more like a brothers.
Professor, come let's move.
Oh, Professor, wait a sec. Do you know about that principal? When he was a child, he used to cry to attend his school. But now, he is the principal of the college. Ha ha ha!
Okay, Dr. Khanna, we'll meet again next time. Thank you and goodbye.
Father, what work you have in the college? Let's go home. It's getting dark.
The next morning.
Kanna, are you coming?
It's doctor. Call me Dr. Khanna.
I'm your maternal uncle's son, Kanna. We play together. Do you remember?
I don't remember any such things. And I just said you call me doctor.
Do you remember me?
No, I don't really remember you.
I'm your father's cousin's paternal uncle's son, niece.
Oh, you're my sister then, right?
Yes, Kanna.
How many times would I tell you guys? Call me doctor. It's Dr. Khanna.
It's okay, dear.
Anyways, here are some folks for you guys. Tape recorders and neckties for you ladies. And
Come, let's go to our house.
no, I don't really have time for such things. You guys carry on. I have a lot of work to do.
But I can join you. Come.
Hey, how is your day? Dr. Khanna? Dr. Khanna.
Nice, Mr. Radhe Mohan.
Sabash. You know what? Your father and I used to walk in the streets to attend our school. And in our school desk, we have marked our names. But your father denied it. But still, I marked your father's name in the desk. And you don't believe? Before his death, he saw his name and it was still there. And even his name was hanged on an honors book. But my name was not on hand.
Did I ask you about this, Mr. Radhe Mohan?
Hey, wait. And even your father always talked about your achievements. And after his studies, he went to Lahore for his higher studies. And he attended only the vacation times in the village. And I think you must have known it that either he worked in Allahabad or Lucknow or in Patna. And after his retirement, he has visited the village.
Did I ask you about this, Mr. Radhe Mohan?
A few years ago, Mr. Radhe Mohan in conversation with Dr. Khanna's father.
Good news for you. What's that?
No, my son is a government officer and he's coming back in this December.
Oh, I don't believe. If your son wants to come, either once he can come and see you, right?
After a year.
Radhe 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 Mohan.
Radhe Radhe Vikram Rathod.
This year, in the month of my back. Do you know, my son is the only American from our village. Simply, he cannot stop his work there and come here. No, he got a lot of reputation there and his name is profoundly known to the president too, I believe.
See, I don't believe. If your son wants to come, he would have come again and he did not even reply to one of your mails. And you blindly follow him.
Radhe Mohan, you don't know about my son.
I know very well about these people because I am the Ashram Fellows of the town and I have read about the surroundings.
At present,
Kanna, you know, your father always talked about your achievement. And he is saying that you are going to come to India by the month of May or by the month of October or by the month of December. But you did not come. Hey, that was so foolish. Hey, why are you laughing? What's funny in that?
Why are you being so serious, oldie?
Hey, your father showed all your love and support to you, but you fooled him?
Yes, of course. Did I ever say to him to take care about me?
Hey, it's disrespectful, Kanna. Radhe 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 Mohan. Radhe Radhe Vikram Rathod. Hey. What's the matter? Cleanly shaved? New dress? New suit? Have you got a bride? No, Radhe Mohan. Do you know my son is a professor in America now? Oh, I said you that your son may be a professor or president in America. But why can't he once come and see you? And you see, either you leave to America, otherwise he can come here and take care of you. I can't see you suffering, Vikram. Radhe Mohan, I'm going to America and he's sending me a ticket. Kanna, you know, your father told me that he's leaving to America. I was surprised with Vikram's speech. Not again. My father thought that was real. Hey, then you fooled your father? Of course. Hey, why? But he trusted you a lot. But this is the gift what you are giving to your father? In the past.
Have you seen Vikram Rathod? There is no sign of his voice. Oh, Vikram Rathod! Oh, Vikram Rathod! Are you there?
Haven't you gone to America yet? When are you leaving?
What about your son's wedding? Is he still a bachelor? Oh, why should I worry about yourself? I have lot of work. I too have lot of work. But you said that you leave this week.
Hey, what happened? Vikram, why are you crying? Hey, what you have done? Hey, you hooligan, just go away. And you, the ladies, just go to your house. Your husbands are waiting for a cup of tea and some chit-chat. Just go away. Okay, Radhe Mohan, it's my prayer time. Okay, Vikram. Oh Vikram, don't be too religious. Nothing, Radhe Mohan. We'll just go to our old school and check our old benches. No Vikram, you're not feeling well and you cannot even walk now. So let's take some rest in your house. Okay.
After some time.
Valuable time in our school.
Oh, is that so? I never thought a simple thing of mine will insult my heart.
No sorries, no regrets, no apologies. Wake up, Kanu. Stand up. And you see, you did not even respond one of his mails and you did not even say about your wedding with that American woman. And see, after we saw the dress, Vikram got excited and he removed his shoes and ran in the hot fiery sun. I don't know what happened to him, but suddenly he has fallen down. When we went and saw, he was no more. You may know many definitions for father and son, but not this. It's not flesh and blood that unites us, but the heart that makes father and sons.
Mr. Khanna goes back to America.
Nothing, then stare at his feet. Absolutely, he's done nothing but stare at his feet. The committee said Dr. Khanna, or put off razor, since he came back from India, has been zero. The man who does nothing but stares at his feet. Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha!
That makes father and sons.
Yes, my beloved father. It's not a relation of flesh and blood. It is a relation of love which you gave me. It is a relation of care which you gave me. But what did I do? I just throw you in the grave. It's all because of me. I wish I could go back to time and bring you. I am not the only American of our village, but I am the only son. Yeah, I am the only son to my father. I promised I would help a lot of old people.
All we have is the experience carried out from my elders, which we hardly follow. In this story, Arun Joshi, the only American from a village. This is not only a story, this is a fact. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Ritika. We, the students, the power of knowledge, Jnanavahini, are here to enact a drama on challenge and God-gifted children's life. Here, I welcome my friends to prove that challenges can be turned into conquest. Let's sit back and watch them.
It was actually good, sir. Do you remember you were going to take me outing this evening?
Why not?
Let's go to Pizza Hut to have my favorite cheese pizza, then to Ice Cream Mart. Is it okay, Dad?
That was okay, my cutie angel. Let's go. Please. You want to have ice cream? Oh, why not? 2 butterscotch pizzas, please. Ice cream.
నా మొబైల్ క్లీన్
Papa! Papa! What? What happened to me? Are you alright? Hold. Let me get you some water. Some water. Can you take with me?
No, it was a beautiful dream in fact. I saw a lovely angel talking to me. She was absolutely fine. We were talking, she was dancing. We even went to Pizza Hut and had our favorite cheese pizza. But what's the matter? It's only a dream.
Oh no, don't worry. Everything will be fine soon. Let's pray for her bright future. God will definitely help us. Doctor is on the way. Let's see if he has arrived.
I want to see my daughter. Thank God, she's alright.
See, even the doctor has arrived.
Hello, doctor.
Please take your seat, sir.
Thank you. I am La. See what I got for you. A lovely gate. Oh no, not again.
No, dear.
Can you give your hand? Yes.
Amala, let's go and play over there.
How is the condition, doctor? Yeah, she has a lot of improvement in her. That's so good to hear.
Play with your toys.
Sindhu?
Doctor, how is her condition? Is there any progress?
She has a lot of improvement in her, but you know the condition of the child very well. She is affected with autism, which is a developmental disability caused by the differences in the brain. So she finds difficulty to communicate or interact with other people.
So, what shall we do to this, doctor?
Only medication can't treat her, but with your love, patience, and continuous endeavor, we can bring positive changes in her.
Doctor, please guide us to treat our daughter.
My advice is to follow few speech therapies, physical therapies, and social relational approaches. Definitely, it will work out. Thank you, doctor. We will follow your instructions. Then, God. Thank you, doctor.
Abhi, we are getting late. Let's drop her in the school now.
I am all ready, Sindhu. Bring her.
Yes. Amala, let's... Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Please take care of our daughter, ma'am.
Yes, I know. I will take care of her.
Thank you, ma'am. Then we'll take our leave. Had your breakfast?
Yes, I have. You done this problem?
Yeah, I done. It's very easy. Show me.
I too done it. Show me.
Oh, she is the one always boring. I don't like
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Please be seated. I noticed that you were pushing her.
No, ma'am, I didn't do that.
No, child, you shouldn't behave like that.
Sorry, ma'am, I will not repeat it again.
Children, we all can collectively bring progress in Amala. Speak to her affectionately. Involve her in various activities. Very importantly, share your love. Will you?
Yes, ma'am.
That's my children. Answer your attendance, children.
Number 1, present, ma'am. Number 2, present, ma'am. Number 3, present, ma'am.
Number 4, present, ma'am.
Number 5, present, ma'am.
Number 6, present, ma'am. Number 7, present, ma'am.
Come on, children, take out your books. Exams are nearing. Let's revise. All the best for your exams, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Go in a line.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good evening.
How was Amala the whole day?
She was very good. She was involving with her friends.
That's so nice to hear, ma'am.
We'll take our leave then, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am. Very shortly, we are going to organize a noble event called Turn Your Wounds into Wisdom. I wanted Amala also to participate and prove that she is equal with the other children.
It's really great to hear, ma'am. Definitely, Amala will take part in this. We'll take care of it. Please help us too, ma'am.
Yes, sure.
We'll take our leave then, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Abhi, did you notice? She's showing interest in music.
Yes, even I too heard her singing yesterday.
Really? That's great then.
Who knows, she'll definitely become a great singer one day.
Surely she will become a singer. Don't you think? Crazy? From so many years you are trying your best. Did you get any improvement? No, better stop all this.
Please stop there. Don't talk about my child like that. She may not be like any other children, but one day, shortly, she'll be a competitor to the other children.
What did you say? She will not give us any hope. Do you know what Amala implies? Hope. She will definitely fulfill hope in our life. What did you come for today?
I came for a cup of sugar, but I don't want one.
Please. Sindhu, let's see what she has learned new today.
Yes. She came for a cup of sugar, but a really bitter.
Don't cry, Sindhu. There are always such negative-minded people in our society, and it's unfortunate for us to have one as our neighbor. Today, they mock at our daughter, but tomorrow, they will realize her true potential.
That's true. I'm sorry. I'll never lose my hope again.
That's my Sindhu. Great. Amala, show us what you have learned. May I come in? Come in, Sanjay. You are always welcome. Hi, Abhi. Hello, Sanjay. How are you? Hi, Sindhu.
Hi, brother. Hello, Monish. How are you?
Fine, auntie. Shall I play with Amala?
Sure, Monish. Join. Hi, Amala.
Wow, I can see a lot of improvement in her. Even her behavior also changed a lot.
Thank you, Sanjay. It's so happy to hear that. We were discussing about it right now.
It's a good sign, brother. Let me get you some sweets.
No. I have got an important work. I have to leave. Meet you on the event day. I have come all the way to wish her. Amala, all the best. I'm taking a leave.
Take care, Sanjay. Bye, Monish.
Bye, Monish. Bye, brother.
Bye,
Take
Sindhu.
care. Abhi, I'm eagerly waiting event day.
Don't worry, Sindhu. She'll absolutely rock the event. I have that faith.
Yes, let's go and train her now.
Yes.
Many days of continuous effort and a love towards Amala, Amala started communicating and understanding people. Today is the event which was mentioned by Amala's teacher. I think they are getting ready. Come, let's see what's going next.
All the best, Amala. I know you will perform very well. Let's leave her at school.
All the best, dear. Do your best.
The event called Turn Your Wounds into Wisdom. I am very glad to be the reason for this. I I would like to share only one thing at this moment. It shouldn't matter how slowly a child learns. What matters is that we encourage them to never stop trying. With no further delay, let us start the event. Let me begin the most awaited event of the day by our children. I would like to call Ramya. That's soothing, Ramya. Thank you. Now, let me call Amala.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा तेरे बिल्कुल बनके मैं खिल जावा तुमसे हर दिल की आरज़ू तेरे नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा तेरी मिट्टी में दिल की आरज़ू. Thank you.
That's a melodious song, Amala. Thank you. Here comes Amir. That's an energetic performance, Asfiya. Thank you.
Hey Priya, this was an amazing performance. But this is the first time I'm attending this event. But I have a small doubt. How the title "Turn Your Wounds into Wisdom" will suit for this?
Are you confused? Eager to know?
Yes, of course.
You know flute is Ramya, right?
Yeah, great talented.
But she is deaf. She can't listen, but senses music in her.
Is it?
Wait, let me complete everyone's introduction. Later, you tell me.
Okay.
Amir, he is partially blind. Amala is an autism child. And Asfiya, she lost her leg in an accident.
That's so great.
Tell me now, is that event title suits or not?
Exactly. I want to meet them.
Come, let's go.
You are the trust, truth, faith in this belief, faith in this word. Keep rocking, we all will be with you.
Thank you, sir.
Rocky, we all will be with you.
Yes, we can rightly call them specially able and differently able personalities. On behalf of these children,
I will convey a small request to the society that please don't label or treat them specially, but treat them equally. They do not need our sympathy or pity. They need a way or a platform to prove and exhibit themselves. Thank you.
Congratulations, children. You all did very well.
Amala, you nailed it. That was awesome. Congratulations, my dear children. You all performed it absolutely nice. Let's fulfill our dream.
Yes, the Pizza Hut dream, right?
Yes, I want to celebrate this victory of our daughters.
Yes, let's go then.
Come on, Amala. This treat is for you. Let's go.
I guess you all got inspired and motivated by our team's theme. We, children, humbly request the society not to differentiate children by their physical ability. Every child is unique and every child has its own importance. And the world is amazing and awesome. And no matter who or where you are from, you can always create miracles. So let's say from this moment that they are not weak but strong, that they are not disabled but unbreakable. Spread your love, humanity, kindness to every living creature and not to hurt anyone. Thank you.
Are you ready? Only few minutes. Be patient with us. Our judges, they have seen our program. They are going to give their views to us. Let us enjoy.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the BB Reddy School for inviting us here for this wonderful program. Congratulations to all the teams. They've done wonderfully well. A huge round of applause for all the teams. And to all the teachers who have put in so much of effort to bring this program like this today. Very, very happy seeing this program. So I would just like to tell a few words about all the teams, what I found interesting, what we all found interesting. So the first team, Jyoti Vahini, I think the plot was good. It was about success story, present day success story, Chandrayaan, and then Ekalavya story. Bhima was good, I don't know if you remember. So the final message was concentration, understanding and practice. It's a nice effort from Jyoti Vahini. Second, Nirmala Vahini, very nice prop and the minute details, the dialogue delivery, everything was good. I just wanted to ask one thing. There was a photo with the president which was shown there. Was it Photoshop? Very nice idea. Nice effort. The third team, Spurti Vahini, again, the other side of American Dream. It was also a very nice effort. Good props were there, bullock carts, bell, hut, everything was thought of. The old man Radhe Mohan, he was very nice. Gnana Vahini team, a very good, very, very good message about including autistic children, special children in the society and being lovable and kind to them. So, very wonderful plot by the Gnana Vahini team. Thank you. I hand over my picture.
It was very gratifying to be here on this occasion of Inter-House Drama Competition in BB Reddy Senior Secondary School. I want to congratulate every student who have participated in Inter-House Drama Competition. All the four groups, Buddhi Vahini, Gnana Vahini, Spurti Vahini and Nirmala Vahini, and your talents were executed very well. We were very impressed with your talents and unique perspectives. You all people were very unique and true to your character, and all your costumes were mind-blowing. I wish all the students should reach lofty heights. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. Let me first take this opportunity to thank the management and the administration of this school for having invited us to take part in this beautiful event. This is the inter-drama competition of this school. The four houses, Buddhi Vahini, Nirmala Vahini, Spurti Vahini and Jnana Vahini, they have represented their teams in a beautiful manner. The team selection by all the teams looks to be very nice, which is connected with Chandrayaan 3 and Ekalavya, which is about humanity, the goal setting, how they struggle in achieving them, particularly the poor people. The third one, Spurti Vahini, talks about American dream and how they are disrespecting their parents without understanding the life with their ego. And finally, the mentally challenged child, represented by Jnana Vahini, how she struggles in studies and how she comes out with the problem. And predominantly these dramas, selection of theme plays an important role. I hope all the teams have done reasonably good. It is all about connecting the characters in the drama, more or less good, by all four teams. Not only connection between them, connecting the characters, it's all about connecting with the audience through their characterization. The communication should be clear. In terms of this communication, there is some deviation. That is also minimal. There is not much. There is no much deviation. If you look at creativity, you could see minor deviation between teams. Time is well maintained, and if you look at the stage, setting is really good by all the teams. It becomes very difficult for the judges to decide upon who is winner and who is loser. There is no point in losing and winning here. The participation is more important. And I would like to congratulate all the teams for active participation and exhibiting their talents and skills in terms of performing drama. I request all the students to give them a big round of applause for their performance. Finally, winning is participation is important, and all of them done it very well. I think we have to wait for the result. Probably school will declare it soon. Once again, I thank the administration management for having invited all of us here, and I thank all the teachers for their efforts in making this event a grand success. Thank you very much.
Children, you all did very well. We got a good response from the judges, isn't it? Only 2 weeks we had time, that from last Monday till this Saturday. That's all. So we did very well. I also enjoyed very well. But I may not be able to announce the result now, as usually we do. We don't want you to be unhappy during weekends. Enjoy your weekend and come back on Monday. You can know your result. Thank you, teachers, very much, and the children who are sitting here also. They behaved very well. So thank you, children. On behalf of correspondent and handing over the judges.
on behalf of David Eddy Senior Secondary School, I deem it privilege to present a vote of thanks on this occasion. At the outset, I would like to thank our chief guest for being with us today and spend the precious time. We thank our guests from the bottom of our hearts for making this event elegant with your presence. Thank you all very much for joining us and for your encouraging words. I extend my sincere thanks to our correspondent ma'am, who encourages us in every aspect and who encourages children to bring out various talents in them. Our principal and our admin in charge for their support and guidance, and my special thanks to all our teachers and sub-staff, without whom the event wouldn't have been possible. Thank you everyone for making this event memorable.
Please raise up for the national anthem.